Today is Nigeria Day in Houston, Nigerians Day in Houston. Nigeria is 65. Happy Independence, Nigeria. So guys, join us to celebrate Nigerians Day in Houston, Texas, USA, guys. So come with me and let's go. Don't forget to like and share the video. Don't forget to put your comment, drop your comment down on the comment section. Share your thoughts on the comment section, guys. So let's go, guys.
So we're the future, we're the road. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free. So deep like a mighty tree. Hearts of fire, spirit soar. We're the future, we're the road.
Sport.
65 and just like the eagle chasing sun. Hand in hand we'll pave the way.
Hello, how are you?
Bright tomorrow.
So guys, what you are seeing here is suya spot where they make suya, and suya is roasted cow meat or goat meat or chicken, or even pig. It depends on what you want to roast for your suya. So this light you are seeing here, this smoke you are seeing coming out here is suya spot. You can see where they wrote the suya spot, suya, S-U-Y-A, suya. So this is where they make suya, very delicious roasted meat. Yeah, so delicious, guys. So this is where they roast it. What you do, you tell them I need suya. They're gonna ask you how much suya, then they roast it for you fresh. Alright? Yeah, they roast it for you fresh, and they add all those ingredients that they usually add in suya. You're gonna like it, guys. So, but sometimes suya, is a kind of peppery, hot, Oh, okay. Hey, Niger.com. Niger.com. You people will snap me too. Yeah, can you go there so I can get some? This is YouTube. You're gonna see yourself on YouTube. Hold on. Okay.
Like the eagle chasing sun. From the rivers to the plains, hope is running through our veins. Yeah. Every heartbeat, every cheer echoes loud. We're still here. The past is stone, the future's clay. Shape the world in our own way. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free. Roots so deep like a mighty tree. Hearts of fire, spirit soar. We're the future, we're the road. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free. Roots so deep like a mighty tree. Hearts of fire, spirit soar. We're the future, we're the road.
Suya spot. Hello. Hello. How are you? So what are you doing? Suya spot, right? All right. That's good. That's good. That's good. Hello. Hi sis. Hi sis. How are you? So what are we selling here?
We are done. We are just wrapping up. So we are done with the fried yam.
Okay, fried yam. Okay. All right.
Sauce.
Okay. All right. So where do you stay after here?
Katie, we are in Katie.
You stay in Keri. What's the name of your business?
That's the light.
Mama Delight. So guys, you can see Mama Delight. So if you need anything catering, just
You can contact us.
Okay, yeah, okay. You can use the barcode. Yeah, you can see the barcode, so that will take you to her. All right, Mama Delight. Well done, Yeah, well done. Oh, this one is fufu and the egusi. Wow, we are really late.
Hope is running through our veins.
Now well done, oh. So what are we selling here? Is it juice or what? Okay. All right, well done. Hey, Niger.com. Niger.com, oh. You people will snap me too. Yeah.
Hand in hand we'll pave the way. Bright tomorrow, brighter day.
Hi. How are you? So you guys can see beautiful.
Underneath these endless skies, golden sun where dreams ignite, dancing through the longest night. Hey. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free, roots so deep like the mighty tree, hearts of fire, spirits soar. We're the future, we're the road. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free, roots so deep like the mighty tree, hearts of fire, spirits soar.
what is this? What are they selling?
Drink.
Okay, drink.
Like the eagle chasing sun, hand in hand we'll pave the way. Bright tomorrow, brighter day.
You're still here, then I know you're still enjoying our festival. We still have one more prize to give out, and we have a winner. The winner of our best dressed traditional attire in the building. For young people,
Underneath these endless
we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. I want to invite you to
golden sun where dreams
our sponsor for the best dressed
dancing through the longest night.
What is this? Oh, that. Wow. How much is this one?
The sponsor, the VIP sponsor of our best dressed young adult in the building, none other than Miss Arena Imasoge of Arena Foundation. Put your hands together for her. Please show her some love. Thank you so much. Hi, Arena.
So, when I was talking to you, I know you. For the young people, which was about repping their culture, and we all know that October 1st is a Wednesday, a school day. But I think some of our kids have left, but we have spotted someone in the house that is dressed nicely in their traditional native attire. And so we just want to give them a token, a scholarship, an award for repping their culture today. And that's none other than this young gentleman here. If we can have him come up to the stage. Yes. I was going around spotting, looking for someone. I didn't know he was sitting right there. Yeah. So he is the recipient of $250 We believe in impacting the young people. Awesome, congratulations. So we'll make sure that you get your award at the end of the day. All right?
Congratulations.
Congrats. Working hard also
Underneath these endless skies,
and that's none other than this one gentleman,
dancing through the longest night.
yeah, Wesley's our official runner-up.
Strong and free, we're so deep like a mighty tree. Hearts of fire,
It's cool, and he's just an amazing, actually what, young product.
Usenika.
Did y'all hear that he is a first generation pilot in his family? So, if you guys want to get some free tickets in the future, I'm actually first in line. I practically raced, or I'm next in line, right? Next in line. So this is first generation young pilot in his family. That is something to be celebrated in this place.
Yes,
Our Nigerian youth children are doing great things.
Yes,
This is how
yes.
we encourage them
Exactly.
to do even better. So on behalf of the Marina Health and Care Foundation, we also want to celebrate Wesley in this building today.
Hey, yes, sir.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations, Wesley, and congratulations to our young winners. Thank you so much, Mr. Reno. We appreciate your sponsorship. Ladies and gentlemen, we have amazing things happening here at the 12th annual Nigerian Day in Houston. And I know that you've been having a great time. We are almost coming to a close. If you're still here in the building, there's still so much more that we can do. I know I didn't finish my shout out, so while you are enjoying our hot, sizzling sounds from DJ Tunes, I'm still gonna go around and try to do some more shout outs for the vendors because this is why we are here. And so I'm handing you over to DJ Tunes for now. DJ Tunes in the building.
Underneath these endless skies, golden sun where dreams ignite, dancing through the longest night. Hey. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free, roots so deep like the mighty tree, hearts of fire, spirits soar, where the future, where the road. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free, roots so deep like the mighty tree, hearts of fire, spirits soar, where the future, where the road. Hey, from the rivers to the plains, hope is running through our veins. Hey. Every heartbeat, every cheer echoes loud. We're still here. The past is stone, the future's clay. Shape the world in our own way. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free, roots so deep like the mighty tree, hearts of fire, spirits soar, where the future, where the road. Oh, Nigeria, strong and free, roots so deep like the mighty tree, hearts of fire, spirits soar.
Now well done, oh. Where on a card? Who on a card? Like business card. No guys? It's
Like the eagle chasing sun, hand in hand with faith, bright tomorrow, bright day.
Hello. So this one's too. How much?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Anyway, maybe I'll come. They are beautiful. Wow, that one is beautiful. How much is that? It's beautiful.
So the tag rope inside. Tie it yourself.
Okay.
Tag go.
I will check you later.
Oh, we think your mom is back.
Hello.
ladies and gentlemen, our Nigerian Day Houston official t-shirts are now on sale for $10 each. Grab yours while you can. You are still going to be able to rep these t-shirts outside. Many people will see you wearing the t-shirt and ask you to talk about it. So please, run to the table before it runs out. The Nigerian Day t-shirts are now $10 each.
Huh? Bread day here, oh. Hey, nothing where we not get here. How much?
Ladies and gentlemen, Jupiter is still here. Even though she's packing up, come on down and take a look at what she has. She has a lot of ready-to-wear, amazing looking couture for men and women. They are amazingly priced as well. You want to say something to begin? Thank you for being here. How has it been for you this year? All right, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate you.